What's up? What's up, everybody? This is Jamie Wonder, Captain speaking. Came back and ready to do another game dev challenge. And starting in 3, 2, 1. I'm a PNG now. I'm the reason I'm a PNG because I don't really feel like doing 3D at the moment. Yeah, and not because I forgot I had to turn on the 3D thing. It's just like every time you do 3D, with the thing I'm using, it usually gets hot. So I don't feel like getting hot today. But anyways, yesterday I basically I starting off with a plan, starting with an idea of how I want to approach this. The idea and basically started with the idea. The idea is comes with a theme, and that theme is inspector property loss. I went through all the I kind of went through all the theme words and come up with certain ideas and and merge with one idea that you are an anomaly inspector and you're spending the night at the office building and checking for changes. That's basically it. That's the goal. That's what we're doing. Once we have that idea of the game going, I decided to go look into what we're gonna do with it. So far, the plan of the game is basically your job is inspect the office for any changes of that night till morning. It's game over when there's too many changes that you didn't notice, and I don't know. Maybe it's game over from there. That little part is now fleshed out, but I believe as I go along with development, this should be more fleshed out than usual. I did if to make changes. The idea right now is you exit the area, you go to and go by the door and you press a button if there's an anomaly in there, and the something will fix that anomaly within that room and have that cleared out. So that's basically the idea. That's basically the game loop for right now. After that, I went through making a level plan of what the level would look like. So we went to first floor, second floor, first floor. I decided to go with 3 floors. The players will start at the first floor as a default. They're all the room will always have an elevator. Each room will have an elevator that connects to each other, and a fire exit also connected to each other. Because I'm trying to expect this to be like an office, like a U.S. office. You'll see here are some handicap spots that you have to go through. Okay, then after that we basically have like a planner, like what the map's going to look like, what the area's going to look like. I have some of the props I have in the that I have building up for a long time. Like I've been always following the Epic's free assets thing, free assets month. So that's that. Then I come after that I come with like a little bit of a lore of the room. Is not really the lore of the room is not really fleshed out. Is because basically we're starting a game. I'm not sure what the game's story's gonna be like or how it's gonna go. I do know that you're an inspector. I do know that the thing is an office room. It's the office building, and I know your goal is to look for changes and fix those changes. That's basically it. And the whole goal right there is just basically to survive the night. Now, I also came up with some certain anomaly ideas, like 2 copies of say items, missing items, writing on the wall, bleeding, a person office, flickering lights, And trying I'm also trying to come up with other ideas, like maybe we have anomalies outside the building, like aliens out the window, um maybe the void of a certain area where you had if you touch it, probably game over, or if you so you had to get out of there before the void takes over the space. um there's like flowing objects, uh things that are flowing that should not be flowing. um maybe idea of the room that is not the room you're supposed to see, that is definitely have changed. um Maybe the room became empty, like all the items that you see just disappear all of a sudden. That needs to be fixed. Strange noises, like you go in the building, you hear like weird noises in there, like probably spook them. Scaling objects, maybe objects in the room starting to scale at an enormous rate, and then you need to go back and fix that. Um, Rooms on maybe the room is on fire. Maybe there's a person outside the room again, trying to come up with ideas like what happens if you see what happens if you see a person that's outside the room, and what you do about that. And maybe the clocks are not working. Maybe they're looking very weird or melting. That basically just these are just ideas. I'm pretty much throwing them out there. Um, and no, this is how I can probably approach and get this done within about this week, because I already have functionality that I have done way before that I think that will work very well with this type of game. Also, I've been wanting to try and make something like this for a long time, so I just want to get it out there to see how it goes. Now, I have not created the project yet. I have left the project blank. However, go start off with a first person, because I do want it to be a first person game. And I'm gonna make this a C++. I do want to make a name out of this. So usually I name the project something else, but for this one I have like I'll go with this name, like Inspector Property Loss in short form. Or for this one, I'm thinking I'll go with a very, very short Inspect Project. And this one's gonna be a C++ project. The reason why C++, well, I have most of the code that's already done in C++, and I think I want to try and bring bring that code in there, in here, so I can work, so I can definitely work with it. So I believe the goal for me right now is to not worry about the assets I have right now. I think I'll probably do that later. I do want to get the code I have made from the previous project into this project, and want to be able to get that compiled, running real quickly, and get have that going. I think if I'm doing this more often, like doing like the anomaly stuff, I think it'd be wise for me to have a plugin. That way I don't have to do all this code code again. I know for a fact I'm for this project I'll need a manager, and I'm gonna need a couple of listeners, because I'm gonna make them listen. Let's see what else. I do also need making sure that whatever's happening is gonna be it's gonna get taken care of. And I think that's kind of about it. So it's gonna be a little quiet for a bit, but let me go get started. I'm gonna name this. Call it Inspect Project. I'm gonna make a color out of this one, because colors are cool, and sometimes you want I see a lot of folders or something like that. and I don't know which folder I need to click on. So this one is gonna be my main color for the project. Let's see. Let's go with 4. And if I need it, I'm gonna make assets folder. And at every start of the project, I'm going to need a map, and this map is just going to basically be just plainly a basic map. I'm going to save this current map as, like I always like use any type of thing, I always name this one test map. I don't know why, it just feels like a test map to me. That's why I just want to make sure the shares are doing correctly. Like, I don't know why. I'm not used to seeing that. Like, yeah, this is what I'm used to seeing. But while I was looking down, like all of a sudden the thing just scaled up very weird. Anyways, for this I will definitely need to do some gray boxing. Yeah, I need to make sure I plan out what the map's going to look like. I know I said it's going to be an office, and so far this office is going to be more likely it's going to be dark. It needs for the exterior, it needs to look like a building, and it needs to have a what's that word? It needs to have like parking spots. There needs to be rows that be parking. That's actually something I'm going to need to write down. So I need to create a new notepad and to create a things to do. And 2 gray box setting. So the first thing I'll start off as well, making sure that this works, also saving. And one thing I want to make sure that I'm using the, even though it's a new one, I'm using the first person. I think that's something I want to use basically. So it's gonna be a first person. We should have the controls already working, so all this is working properly. This is exactly what I want. Just something this straight up basic. That's it. Nothing crazy. Okay. Now that part's taken care of. I'm just gonna go into one of my old projects called, what is it called? I think it's called Spot Difference. And the two things, I think the couple of things I'm gonna bring out is just they're just actor components, and basically all I'm doing is trying to get the what I call a level manager and a listener. This manager is going to basically call out, okay, spawn this anomaly, spawn that anomaly, and whenever whoever's that anomaly is going to listen. I'm not going to try to create a. I don't think I need to create a main actor or like a parent actor be a anomaly. I will have that. I'll have that actor be an anomaly by placing a actor component that listens. Y'all see that in y'all will see that in a moment. So real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with a new actor component. We're gonna put this into a new folder. I think I'll call this I'll call this game. Actually, no. Let's go straight basic component. We'll select this. We're gonna create a folder. We're gonna select this folder. We're going to call this ISP init S. That's just 3 words for inspector. I don't know if this should be capitalized or not. Let's do this. INS anomaly listener. No, anomaly. Is that anomaly or anomaly? I think it's start with an O. And I'm calling this a. I'm gonna call this straight up a manager. Okay. Do I need anything else? No, I don't think I need anything else. Well, actually, I do need something else. I'm just adding the code and getting it out, getting all that out there. Besides all this, I'm pretty much doing fine. I'm basically just talking talking and everything else. I'm doing fine. I went to my favorite ramen shop, but when I decided to go there, I know I have guests. And I was like checking if they have eaten. So they most of the guests are pretty much my nieces. And when I asked them what they want to eat, they don't really know what they want to eat. Like they pretty much like I asked my mom see if they want to eat something. It's like I don't know. I asked the older niece if she want to eat something. She don't know. Asked the other nieces see they want to eat something. They went downstairs to see if asked the older niece to see they want something. She said they don't know they're the one that have to choose. So they're trying to figure out what they want, and I guess they went with what I was going for. So I say, okay, I'm going to this shop, and they have a menu. I send them the menu, see what they want, and one of the things that I didn't expect was the cost. I mean, the cost of getting food from them. I didn't expect the thing to cost. I mean, I do expect it to be cost a lot, but I didn't expect it to go be like, bam. It costs a lot. You know what I'm saying? Like also, I'm like, what the heck? And I feel like I know now. I know how my parents feel like whenever I ask for anything else. I'm like, I'll make sure not to ask them any more than what I should ask. But either way, let's see. I'm going to another actor component. These are going to be the listeners. I call INS anomaly. And they're the same as before. They're components. The reason I'm making like two different components, the one as one that's a manager and one as a listener, is because whenever like again, when a manager calls out what's happening, they'll have the listeners will listen to that manager, and they will do exactly what the manager is going to do, like change change how it'll look, how it will look or anything like that. So um I think the thing is like how is that how all that's going to work as they are walking around. Do they change when they're in that level or they're in that room, or will they change if they're not in that room and they have a way to change that anomaly? I think the best way I could start I could go with is like if the players are in this room, do not change. If they're not in that room, go ahead and change. The reason why I'm probably going that route is because I want to make sure they're not that the players go suddenly see a change in the room. It's like that's an anomaly, and they get out of the room and just do that. So yeah, that's kind of basically it. Although I'm thinking about if that's the case, I'm thinking about making an actor that's going to have a box component that's going to check if a player is inside this room. That might be a good idea. Definitely might be a good idea to do that. I think I'll do that. I hit the refresh view by accident. There we go. Actor. This is going to be I'll call it INS, and I'll name this anomaly trigger. Maybe anomaly trigger. Maybe we gotta call it anomaly actor. I don't think I'll call this anomaly actor. What's a better name? What would be a better name for this? I think anomaly triggers will be probably the best name I can come up with right now. It is an actor, so I'm not gonna put it in the components. I'm going to put this in a different folder. I feel I'll call this gameplay. Right now, I'm kind of spinning because my lips looking tasting a little choppy right now. All right, let me go ahead and get the project, and I'm going to need a few things here. This is going to be protected, I think. Not I think protected, or is like something else. So let me get this. It is a U box component. Anomaly trigger. I'll do it this way. Like I'm trying to get better at typing the trigger differently. So it's like instead of not the pointer differently. So it's for this one it's gonna be like object, the object PTR. I know if I didn't do that, something weird will happen with it. Let me make sure. Come on. So I have to class U box. Is it U box? No, okay, yeah, I think it's U box component. There we go. And let's see, we need to make this a U property. This needs to be visible anywhere. And I want this to be blue print read only. Category component. Okay. Anomaly box. It needs to be sub create sub object. I don't think that. Oh, I don't think that's name. That's the correct name. Let me look for it real quick. Okay, looking at what I have before, I think I don't have it. I just don't remember, and I just don't remember right off the bat. Which is, I mean, no nuts. Okay, why name it anomaly box is anomaly trigger? There we go. Real quick. I need to come back and look at this. It's like I know what it is. I just don't remember the name of it. I also realized I opened a third project. It knows that I have others I can use as a reference to look at. It is create default. There we go. Create default subobject. There we go. That's the name. Ubox component. There we go. And for anomaly trigger. We are making a step attachment. Actually, no, not step attachment. We're going to do this. Root component. Root component. I think that's correct. It's either that or it's like root component is, you know, the root component is anomaly trigger. I forgot backwards. Hold on a second. Right, real quick, I need to make sure they're not. Component. This is a box component. H. Let's see, for this one, I need to make sure. I think I need to make sure that the anomaly triggers have a few things ready. So at the start, no, not like that. There we go. Give me this. We need a couple things from the box component. The way we're going to take a look at this is we're going to peek into the box component, and we're going to look for it's not in the box component, but in the shape component, I think. Yeah, it's probably in the shape component. Peeking there. We're looking for trigger. I'm looking for triggers, and I'm trying to remember what triggers are there for us to use. We're looking for overlap. But we can't get there because this is still phrasing. So pretty much all the stuff is trying to figure out where all of it is at. Which I'll be straight honest, I think I should probably had this warmed up layer. I should probably have this warmed up. Okay, it's not in here. It's in the primitive component. Full definition, and here is our deltas. We're looking for begin overlap, and that is on component begin overlap. That's what we're looking for. And we're also going to look for on component end overlap. These are going to be go look like this. I think no, they're going to look like this. And then this will be add dynamic. It's gonna need a this. and a function. I don't have a function up and ready yet. Matter of fact, speaking of function, we're going to need to make sure we need to know what function it needs. It's going to need a we protect it. Void on begin overlap. And let's make sure these are counted correctly, because I did this before and I kind of forgot which but it says 6, so we see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this we don't need. Of course, when I see something like this, I usually break it down to something smaller, so we get that way I can just be able to read what's happening. We're gonna do the same thing with on end overlap. And this one needs about 4. So besides this, we need this. We need this. There we go. Let's see what else we need here. We need to make sure that these are also for declare. I don't think I need an actor for declare because we're already getting an actor already. And I think we are. I think we should be good here. All right, so there's that. Let's go ahead and get the next one up. A in anomaly trigger on begin. It crashed on me. Hold on a second. It does that because the weirdest thing, hold I want to, you know, for now, I want to find out. I don't want to worry. I don't want to worry about this. I don't want to worry about this right now. Because, it keeps crashing on me sometimes. I want to try to get this taken care of. Okay. Okay, so we have these two on begin, on end. And the whole goal for these is to get the player actor to say, if this is the player actor, okay, send that to the let's send that to let's make sure we send that to the manager. Okay. I think I want to try to plan. I think I want, before I go any further, I want to make sure what I know what I want for the manager to do. I want the anomaly manager to do is to check if player is in any one of the anomaly trigger. There's gonna be several of them, and I don't and for this case, I want the anomaly manager to not care which one it is. I do actually, so I wanted to care not which one it is. Maybe I want the anomaly manager to get all the managers and put them in an array. No, I want them to get all the triggers and put them in an array. There, I want to go see if and have them check if there is a player actor within that array. If there's one in every array, I want them to not trigger an anomaly there. Reason why I do that is because I want to make sure that if they're in that room, I don't want them to want any changes. I don't want them to look at it and say, oh, there's suddenly there's a change when they're in the room. I want the changes to be like when they get come to a next room, or a bit subtle. If player is not in that trigger, spawn anomaly. I say spawn anomaly, but I might not be actually doing, might not actually spawn an anomaly. I just have like an anomaly just appear on, just that's hidden and just suddenly appear. Like there probably gonna be anomalies already in there already. I might have some other cases where I have an anomaly just spawn in a room. Just at the moment, I want to make sure that they're they're there. Also, if you hear me munching, I apologize for that. I just got hungry. Right now, I'm kind of eating chicken. Okay, so that's that. What else do I want this anomaly manager to do? What did I have the R anomaly manager to do in this the R spot the difference? Let's see. In that level manager, I have it have it spawn levels dynamically. I don't think I need to worry about rooms. Like I don't think I need to worry about rooms spawning dynamically. I just need to make sure that they're just being spawned. No, I don't think I need to worry about them spawning at all. I just need to be active if a player is not in that room. Okay. Do I need? I don't need the anomaly trigger to have the listener. That's not for that actor. I know for at the start of the game, I want the anomaly trigger to get all actors that are anomaly triggered. Actually, now thinking about it, I will also want to try to have the anomaly trigger to also gather actors that is within that that's within that trigger. Maybe that way the anomaly knows what actor is in here. And we want it to go for there, I think. Maybe that will be the case. Maybe. Because the way I'm thinking of this right now, as I'm thinking about this, the way I'm going with this is I'm trying to make this modular. Like if I ever want to make another level, that's not a office level, not the same office level, but maybe a school or a house or a building, whatever it is, I have the tools to be able to make these type of levels, and don't have to worry about what it looks like or what it has. It's going to know which one it needs to check, which one needs to look at. Yeah, I think I'll go with that as well. Anomaly triggers. Check if play. Is in trigger. And on the in play. Looks. No. Add actor. with listeners component to its array. Actually, no, not its array. It's map. And the map I'm looking for is probably gonna be an F string / actor. Now you're probably thinking about, why am I doing this? The reason why I'm doing this is because I want to make sure that when it's searching for something, I do not want to go do a for loop searching for one thing. I want, when the manager calls it calls a certain string, and every anomaly trigger actor that has this will check if they have that string. If they have that string, they'll no. No. I don't think they will. I don't think I want them to care. No, I don't want them to care at all, because I think the manager is going to make a broadcast, and anybody that has that name will have it triggered. I think that's the better approach here. That's the better approach right here. Activate the trigger. It's only for the anomaly trigger to check if they have that anomaly that's active. If that anomaly is active, they'll go ahead and tell it to deactivate itself. Then all this will work. There we go. That's something I want to go with. Actually, now thinking about it, let me take a step back real quick. Let's say I have a couple. Maybe I have a couple of anomaly actors that have the same thing. Like if they have like 2 copies, will all the anomalies that have the name 2 copies have them all activate? I think I'll probably name it differently. Instead of like 2 copies, just plainly 2 copies, I just call it 2 copies dot first floor, or maybe first floor dot 2 copies, first floor dot missing item, or maybe not just first floor, just first floor main entrance 2 copies. Then again, it probably sounds a little complicated, but I think I can make this work. Okay. It's just like a lot of thinking here. It's trying to make sure that all this is kind of working, making this work properly. I think in my head it kind of works. Sorry for the popping. So let me look at my managers, and let me look at public. I'm gonna make the. I don't think it's gonna need to be public. It needs to be protected. It definitely needs to be protected. Map. This is for the It said team map is gonna be tier array. I think it's gonna be tier array. Tier array. Just go look for. INS. There we go. Anomaly. Trigger. And this needs to be a E. Don't do this and be like that. Class. I'm not sure I'm gonna need the U property, but I think I'll do this. Blueprint read only. I don't think it needs a default anywhere because that's, yeah, it doesn't need that. I'll make sure I have a category though. I'll call this anomaly. However, for the next one, this needs to be a this next one might need to be a actor or a no, I don't think it needs to be an actor. It needs to be a it needs to be an array of strings, I think. Although I'm kind of looking at this, I think it should probably be more of a an F gameplay tag, other than a F string. And this needs to be read only, but I also want this to be it default only. Doesn't need ed default only. Have I ran into a problem where it would not save properly? I think I have. You know what? I just thought about it. You know what? I'm gonna have. You know what? I'm gonna go have that gameplay tag. No, make it array. Make it array. Make it array. I'm just kind of thinking about it and trying to fight which one. Pick which one to go with. No. Follow what I have. Follow what I had before. Like. Gameplay tag is make sure this gameplay tag is included. There we go. Let's see. I'm going to need to look into this. I think I'm going to need to have a list of what anomaly tags are active. And I think I'll make this a array of f strings. Active anomalies. The reason I'm using a string and not an actor pointer, because I don't want to rely on an actor to see, hey, is this actor that's active in there a lot still there? Because I don't want the anomaly manager to care too much about if there's an actor there or not. I just want to make sure it's active. I can test if I can go ahead and test if these anomalies are not working properly. Let's see. And I don't need a level asset. That's why they did a null project, because we're not going to do a loop and have it spawn new anomalies that way. We are, however, going to need to get how many active anomalies are there. So the way I'm going to do is int 32 get active anomaly. Get active anomalies. This is gonna be a straightforward. This is basically straightforward return. Active anomaly num. And active anomalies is unidentified. What do you mean unidentified? Oh. Rename reference. That didn't do the trick. Okay. New function get no blueprint pure anomaly. All right, this should be correct, I think. Is anything else being weird? Hmm. Oh, 1 second. Need to switch a battery of mine that usually that's for my headphones. There we go. Blueprint. Probably not seeing it right now, but I'm like typing a never function. Blueprint callable. Anomaly, and I'm gonna do this way. And this one's a void. I need to make this a init. Init anomaly managers. I don't think I need anything special with it. This is protected. I know this for sure, but this is, I don't know why it's saying this is identifier as it's not true. Do I need to include something? Because that's not what we need. That's very weird to have. Maybe it's because this is weird. I really don't think I need this at all. And this should be fine on its own. I think another one I'm gonna need to have is a set anomaly gate. And this one's gonna be a boolean. It's just making sure that the game starts. Next one's gonna be call on anomaly. I feel I'll call this a trigger anomaly for right now. Thinking about this, I think I don't want the anomaly manager to be the game mode. I want the game mode to be the game mode, and anything that happens in the game mode is going to be anything that happens in the game should happen in the game mode. So I think the game mode is going to call anything that happens. It's going to call any changes or new anything added to the anomaly. That way, I can use the game mode to check if it's a game mode, game over, or the player wins or something like that. Keeping things separate. Call the anomaly start. This will start off as false. I don't think it needs to be blueprint read right, because I don't think it's going to need any change. I don't think this is going to do any changes. Matter of fact, I don't want any changes outside of it. Do I actually need this readable? I think it'll be fine. Okay, I figured out what I need. I don't need tick here. Let me actually get rid of the tick component. It doesn't need a tick every time. Although, yeah, I don't need a tick every. I don't need this to tick every time. And let's make sure this is false. Let's see. That should be all of it. Okay, int anomalies manager. At the start we are going to get. We want to get all the actors that we need. I think I have that code in here. As I say here, I mean the Meyer project. If I don't, I think I remember the name. It's the Kismet. Kismet system library, I think. And get no. Procedural mesh. What the heck? Materials, animations, array. Is there array in library? I'm looking for get all active class. I'm trying to remember what it is. It's okay. You kids met. It has to be use system get all actors. Of okay. sometimes I don't know, so we have to go look at Google real quick. C++ get all actors of class. Because I'm trying to remember exactly what's the wording of it. Gameplay statistics. Okay. Get all actor of class. There we go. I should get world, I think. That should be active in here. And we're looking for a class that is... That one's gonna be straightforward. This is gonna be now we trigger, bam bam, static class. And this one, I think it's like a T, yeah, it's T array. Of a answer. Out actors. It may need to be a. It may just need to be a regular actor, I guess. And it needs to have the gameplay statistics. Otherwise, they'll complain again. All right. Here we go. Kismet gameplay statistics. Yeah, this one's going to just need an array. An actor. And we're going to end up doing a for loop here. We're going to need the array of the object pointers of triggers. Oh, we already have it taken care of. Never mind. Make sure that these are the exact triggers. And that's kind of be it from there. Kind of be honest, I don't think it's gonna need I'm not sure if it's gonna need that or not, but it does have but if I were to give this, if I were to say, does this actor have this thing in here, it'll probably work. We're gonna do a call on we're gonna need to do a call on anomaly. Real quick, need to how do I want to do this? I think I've already talked about this before, but I might have forgot. Listener, here it's triggered. We need to be able to do a for loop. Not like a for loop, but get actor within the room. And actually, I have done this before with the Project Anime, where I was just trying to figure out how I'm gonna get all the actors within a specific space. This I want to try. This one I know I want this called once, because I want to get all the actors in there. And I have this already set up called get overlapping actors. Just go for anomaly trigger. Get overlapping actors. And this is going to require this is also require a filter class. Wait, what else we have in the get overlapping actors? Get overlapping. Yeah, it's only just get overlapping actors. Now I'm just trying. Now I'm thinking about this. Get overlapping components. This one's only looking for primitive components, not actor components. What I want to try to do is I don't want it to go searching for every actor. That's a filter. And the whole goal was to actually just make sure we get the actors with a certain component. So right now I'm just kind of thinking about it and thinking of a plan. Because all I'm thinking about right now is creating an actor that has to be a parent for the rest of the actors. And the whole goal is to, if we get this actor that's in here, we want it to not do that. We want it to stop doing what it's doing. You know, looking at this and thinking about this, I'm thinking, I think, yeah, I'm going to have to, I think I'll go ahead and have to bite the bullet and go ahead with the class filter with being null for right now. And we're going to have to get the array of back. At least for right now. Okay. This actually needs to be in protected. Maybe not in there. Actually, no. I take that back. We want to do this, and I think we want to do a for loop for actors. And for this, we want to get like current actors. Let me look at Unreal Engine. Does actor have component? I just need to remember how we're gonna make sure this actor has the certain component. Okay. So it's gonna be like this. Find component by class. And where I'm going to do this is U INS listener that class. And real quick, I just want to know, is this a Boolean? Fine. No, it's not a Boolean. It is a let's go do a for loop in here. You know how I feel about for loops? Well, y'all probably don't know how I feel about for loop. Like, I'm doing a for loop, and this does go do it. Go in here, do its for loop. Not the fast. but we're doing this on initial, so I'm assuming this is not. I'm assuming this is not gonna be a big problem at the moment. Okay, I think we're good. I think we should be good right now. Let's go find the component. Wait, if find component. Let's go check if this is valid or not. If it comes up nothing, it's not valid. Although now thinking about it, this let's thinking more try and make it work. I think later on, pretty much I can come back and work on this later. But right now, add current actor. Equals, I'm gonna make this a I think I'll make this a boolean. And we're gonna start off with default false. There we go. From there, we're gonna set this to true. Next one I'm gonna do is if other actor get class. That class. I want to do another for loop like this. Get overlapping actors. In this one, I want to make sure I have this, and I want to make sure this is also in the include. And we're gonna do a if alt actors num is lesser than or equal to 0. I'm not sure. Player in trigger is false. This is to make sure that if there's a player in the trigger, we want to make sure that if a player left and if there's still a player in the trigger, we want to make sure this is set to false. For this one, I want to make sure I want to take a look at it again and try to see if this is what we want. Pardon that, I think I'm good there. Okay, and let's see. The manager needs a couple needs the listeners, so we make sure that this manager has a way to be able to call whoever's listening. For this one, I'm gonna just basically just do a copy paste. Let's see, and for these, okay. I only have call on anomaly. I don't have the thing for it. Okay. And this call requires a string call, trigger anomaly. I think that's gonna be my anomaly tag. If anomaly tag contains trigger anomaly, this one needs to be active anomaly. We're going to add no, scratch that. I'm going to need to do this. Current active anomaly tag. Need to do this. Push this in here, and this needs to be protected. I think no, it doesn't need to be protected. I need to be public. And make sure I get this on update anomaly. Delegate. We want to make sure this is blueprint assignable. Do I need this to be blueprint callable? No, the only thing it's gonna call it is gonna be the manager. Call on anomalies gonna be triggered in the game mode. Now I can make my own game mode or use the game mode that's offered to me. I think I'll to make this simple. I think I'll create my own game mode. Let me go back in here, new class. I'm gonna add a new game mode base. 40 seconds to create folder. I'll just call this game. I'll name this INS game mode. Basically doing a lot of this and not a lot of art, level design yet. Promise I'll get there. Well, I promise I'll get there. It's just a lot. It's just a lot of things I need to make sure to get make happen. Okay. This one, you make sure that I have the manager active. Let's make sure this a is that a T object pointer? Yeah, I think that we a T object pointer. Doesn't it be T object pointer? Read only. Read and write and edit default only. And I think what's missing here is my game mode. Finally, I'm actually adding these things in here. X, anomaly manager. I think that's all I need. I know I could probably put more functions in here, but I think I'll do that in Blueprint. Okay. Okay, we should be good here. Wait. Don't tell me I forgot to save. Okay. What I called it? It is. Trigger anomaly. Here we go. Active anomalies. Let's make sure the active anomalies is a gameplay tag. Yes. Add. Active anomaly. No. Current. Then we are going to get a listener. Oh no, we're not gonna get. I'm not gonna do a mistake on the spelling again. No, not U function. It's U property. And I am. Update knowing. We're going to broadcast and we're going to give current anomaly tag in here. Give it a call. Save. Now in begin play, we want to do this. We want to start the anomaly. And anomaly now started. It's anomaly. Oh my god. Oh my god. You know, it's anomaly here. From here, because I don't feel like respelling the whole dang thing. I mean, I can, but it's like, we got it wrong again. Yeah, an active anomaly. Okay. We had to go back over here and just rename anomaly to anomaly with the A. Let's make sure everything's actually set properly. Let's see if they're not. Okay. Anomaly, Okay, let's make sure Tommy Lister is actually named correctly. Alright, that's correct. Oh my god. Okay, I forget everything here. Okay, on begin play, we want to get author game mode, and I think we want to get it from world. Get world. And let's see. It is a constant, so I need to make sure that we are making a cast. No, I don't think we need a cast. We would need pick upon by class. Wait. Guess that class. We're gonna make that. We're gonna do our include. Beautiful. Now I need to do if. Actually, if I'm getting component by class, it's returning the U actor component. We just need to do a cast. Of that U actor components with an if. If the manager exists, we want to on update anomaly if we want to get to add unique. This, and we need a array. No, not array, excuse me, a function. I don't think this needs to be public, this needs to be protected. Void. We get the anomaly tag. Okay. We'll make this a blueprint callable. I don't think I need to make a blueprint callable. I'd like to put blueprint callables on there on everything. And we'll need a property that's going to look for anomaly tag. Real quick, I need to go to the restroom. I will be right back. Don't go anywhere. back. How you guys doing? Okay. I'm just in the middle of just adding this variable. It is, I need to make a blueprint. I'll make this blueprint read only, and we'll make this a edit default or edit anywhere. I think it's edit anywhere for this one. And I think for the listeners, I think I'm also gonna need to make this. Make sure the listeners also have, yeah. I need to make sure they also have delegates. Because I'm gonna have, the goal is I'm going to have these delegates be called in the function. Called in the blueprint, and they're going to make sure that where's if they have the thing, they're going to do that thing. And this has to be public on active. I think it's a blueprint assignable, yeah. Edit anywhere. All right, I think we should be correct. And I don't think I need this. Let me calm this one out. I don't really think I need another trigger anomaly. I think mostly anomalies are gonna be active. And this one we don't need to have another no, wait. Call that one back. There we go. We'll need another tick component. If I think no, it's not active. It is an anomaly tag, but I need. Let me call this actor anomaly tag. Reason why I'm naming this instead of an anomaly tag because I already have a name called anomaly tag, and I want to make sure that is not being overshadowed here. And do I need to remove? I will probably need to make sure that the one we called doesn't get called again. And I could do that in the manager. Let's see. The call anomaly. I want this to be a boolean. I want this to return true or false because I want to be able to say, hey, this thing worked, or hey, this thing didn't work. Okay. I think I got what I need here. I think. Let's see. Anomaly triggered. Wait, it's still called anomaly? Oh. There we go. Alright, that should be good. Save here. Save there. I think I'll add unique and not doing what I expected for it to do. That's because I'm dumb and I use add unique instead of add dynamic. Okay. Now I think I'm good. Wait. Incomplete component type game mode not allowed. Okay. I think that's what I was talking about. He's asking for get. Okay, I think it should be good. Okay, we're almost good. Let's see. All right, now we make a build, and we're gonna see what errors we get. I think I got almost all the errors. Edit defaults only. And the only error we get is that the game's open. Okay. Save this real quick and we go back into here. Go to project settings. We're going to maps and mode. And we're going to close this down. We're going to rebuild this like so. Use of undefined type gameplay tag, of course. That's one done. Now we have only a few more to go. This one's interesting. Okay, I think it's definitely within the anomaly manager. It doesn't like that, I think. No, the only thing is that says doing that is the comparison type of the gameplay tag. And I think that's coming in the listing right here. All right, we got a few. And the only thing is actually trying to compare in here is just the tag. And this one, I'm not sure where getting that information. Okay, See the first snip. Array gameplay tag. Okay. Contain in triggered anomaly. So let me make sure this one is it's looking for a string and right now we should be comparing strings, correct? Wait. Active anomalies is... Oh, this is where it's complaining at. I see it now. Okay. Okay. The active anomalies looking for checking if that name is it. Yeah. Okay. And I think the reason I'm doing that is because I want to make sure that this thing is not being active again. Let me actually just remove that, use this, do it if and do it if here. All right, that should fix the thing. There we go. All right. All right, I think I have almost everything. I need to. I think there's one more thing I need to do. I need to do a bool remove anomaly, and we're gonna need the tag of Anomaly, 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 anomaly. Return false real quick. We're trying to see if the active anomalies, if return true. Actually, I already have the active anomalies already. So never mind, never mind. We don't want to get the number of those. So we should be good now. Okay. Now we should be good. Wait. I set the inspector project into 5.3. I kind of want at 5.4. I think I'll be fine. I'll be fine. Either way, I need to do the black boxing anyways. No, not black boxing. Gray boxing. Okay. Starting off, we are going to make... I gotta make a decision on what size does this mesh is. Now if I could go start with this, we're going to... That's not exactly what I'm thinking of. Yes. That's also not what I'm thinking of. There's another way I wanted to use. Okay, it's not extrude path. Cube grid. Okay. Is it cube grid? Let's see. Let's see, what's the size of this? 5.7. Price pictures right now is Don't look like this. Okay. Okay. If I did a cube grid, can I make the center, make the grid in a center? Hmm. Okay. Let me go and delete that. And let me, I need a good way to move you around. I'm gonna put you on this. I'm gonna put this one outside view. Because I want to have some room here. Let's see. Okay. I want this space to be about, let's see, where's my, am I really gonna have to grab the first person, third person blueprint? I don't want to get the star content. Ooh. Because right now I want to try to get the right size. And I think I'll go ahead and do this then. What I'll do right here is, like, let's just delete the third person. You don't need that. We only need the mannequin. And the arm. The only thing is it has like the arms, so we should be good here. I don't need level prototyping as well. Just the character. There we go. And okay, I'm going to just pull one. Goes Manny. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so here, I think I want to get about half here. Okay. Try that one more time. Grid. I need about. This is me trying to eyeball this thing, and I'm just trying to like, I'm putting my finger on the screen, trying to find the right point there. And I'm going to try to push this down. Let's see. This is about 2, 4, 6. Two, 4. That should be it. I'm not, I mean, I'm not modifying anything here. Okay, I'm confused. Grid. Yep. 'Just trying to find that one little point here. And okay, that should be it. Okay. Two, 4, 6. All right, here we go. Two, 4, 6. So right about here. Accept, and that should be our first floor main entrance type of thing. Okay. And where Manning is standing, I want the 2, 4, 6. Let's see. The entrance seems a bit bigger. still big, but I think this could work. So far, my plan is trying to make a certain floor plan here, and the goal is to get a good feel about how the map is going to look. Basically, right now I'm just trying to get a very good idea on how big the first floor of the map should be by leaving maining as my default scale matcher. Basically all I'm doing right now is actually looking at my map, looking at the map I drew here, and just trying to get a exact map description of what it should look like. So basically I have plenty of time to do all this. So I'm going to make sure I get this at least set up. Okay, we're kind of over this, I think. Okay, so about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Probably here, I'm thinking. We're just gonna have this overlap just a bit. Okay. Looking at this, I think I could add more space in the back. More space in the back. I could do that right now. There we go. Okay, we're going to. Wait, hold on a second. I don't know why I like the idea of this kind of sticking out, and we'll have like double doors here and a double door here. This area needs to be the reception. Needs to be the reception area over here. Think right over here. Okay. In this area, we have the elevator. This one is before I scale it down, scale over here. This one's gonna be more the reception desk. Most of the reception desks you see in offices will have chairs. Let me actually put some blocks to represent chairs right now. Probably gonna be more of a more likely just couches. Okay. Move you over here. Move over there. Save. Run. Oh wait, real quick. Let me go ahead and get the core to game. I have to go create a blueprint called INS game mode. Let's use the first person player controller. Let's use the player character. Are we missing anything else? I don't think we're missing anything else. I think we're good. Let me save the map real quick so I'm But if it crashes, I don't want to go out of my way to fix these things. Okay. Looking at this and feeling this, this feels okay. This feels good. I think I think this certain map is at a certain size that I want. Okay. It's not too big. I don't want it to be big. I don't want it to be so big that it's gonna take more people to cover ground. I just need it to be big enough so players can walk around and see what it has changed or not. And I probably don't need the player to jump. Although jumping is really cool and all, I don't really need to jump. Let's see, I think the next up is gonna be the fire rooms. But first, just need to adjust the walls a bit more. I don't think I need that. Hold on a second. Maybe not here. Maybe get the elevator placed a bit closer, like right here. All right. The reason I'm doing this because I'm trying to get the fire exit. Although I think the restroom probably doesn't need a fire exit. I'm adding there anyways. Okay. Let's see. I think for restrooms, um, I can straight up go for the traditional men and women restroom, or I can go over the California style restroom where is unisex. Restroom is unisex. I think for right now, I think I'll go for this type of restroom. Where I don't think we don't have to worry about a door, you just have to walk in. Let's see. As for elevators, ooh, that's a. What are we gonna do about elevators? Not only that, I think for the next one, I think I need to make sure I have this one is like some kind of. Sorry, the words just coming out, not coming out of my mouth right now. A level something. Hmm. I could adjust this later on, but I think that's kind of what I'm looking for. And let's see. Maybe we can make this a cafeteria. This here's the cafeteria. This one's gonna be the kitchen. Okay. We can walk around. Walk in the cafeteria. Okay. Hmm. The restroom seems very spacious. Of course, if I put in the stalls and everything else, it should fill the room a little bit more. Okay. Next one is a fire exit. There should be at least 2 ways to get out. Oh my god. Let's see. Let's kind of think about this right now. Is fire exit very spacious? I don't think we need that much space for a fire exit. I think we only need about this space for a fire exit. Okay. Then go up to the next floor. The floor has to be, I think between the floor and the ceiling needs to be at least this thick. In order for it to work. And I think I need to have a light. There we go. We should be good. Organize this place around temporary lights just so I can get a certain feel about again this space. Not only the space, but only the how it's going to appear to the player. I say appear, but more likely how does it feel? And right now it kind of feels like it feels empty. Exactly, but it is kind of exactly what I'm looking for here. Let's see. I'm kind of questioning the elevator at the moment. Like, let's see. Let's say I make elevator doors here. Elevator doors are pretty wide. I walk in, press the button. Is this elevator is this elevator too big? I think it feels a bit too big. Okay. Yeah, I think it feels way too big. Should be a bit square size. You come up a little more smaller, I guess, right here. Yeah, that should work. That one feels more like an elevator. Of course, I have to go this way. How? What am I gonna do with the rest of this space? Okay, I guess instead of for this one, I think I probably have like stairs on the left side as well. But I need to go back to my map and see if I can actually make some changes, make a staircase over here as well. But either way, I think that's gonna be a tomorrow me problem. So far, it's getting late. I need to get some stuff taken care of. And yeah. So thank you for coming by. Thank you for watching. If you like the stream, follow me here on YouTube, on Twitch, or subscribe me on YouTube. I think I'm at 199 subscribers. If I get one more, I'd be at 200. And I say that's like I'll be at 1/3 to my goal. Of course, I need figure out on the watch time thing. I think I have some way to figure out on the watch time, but either way, that's gonna be something I'll worry about later. But thank you for coming by. Thank you for watching. I think I'll talk to y'all later. Bye bye.